Hello, this is an example of how to run our demo code because it seems like our web app is not functioning and it's time to submit soon. So starting off, our web app does not properly recolor the image, but what you can do is once you have your image selected and segmented in the web app, you can export the segmentation file. And then once you have the segmentation file, if you open up our Matlab demo folder, it'll look something like this. I have the original segment image here for an example, and then the JSON segmentation file here, and I'll show you how to take this segmentation file and get the binary masks required for Matlab. Now to do this, it uses a Python script, and you might need to install the PyCoco tools. And if you're on Windows, you have to use this version here. Once you have that, you can run the Python script. So we have the name of the script here, and then the first argument is the name of our source image, and then the name of the segmentation file. Once you run that, I'll just take a quick second. Okay, it's done, and that will give you the seg image folder with the binary masks. And now I'm going to continue in the Matlab. So for this example in Matlab, we have a couple of example sources in here already for you to use without having to segment. In this one, I'm going to use the interior 1 image. So it looks like this. I'm going to use the segment that corresponds with the center pillow. So as you can see here, that is mask 0 can do that. So I'm going to go into Matlab. I'm going to load up the interior image and the interior mask, and then I can run this section of the code. It'll show us the segmented portion of the image to verify. Next, we can run the palette generation. This takes a second just to do the mean shift. It's important to note that you want to adjust the range here to match the number of colors that you want. So in this case, it gave us probably more colors than we need, but that's okay. I'm going to start by replacing this green color on the cacti. And I'm going to instead make that blue. So each of these cacti will be blue. So once you have the palette, and I noticed that the color I wanted was in the index 3. So I'm going to put the index 3, and then I have my new color here. I already have it loaded as RGB for a blue color. So you have the color selected, the index of the palette color that you're replacing. Then I can run this code. And as you can see, it has replaced the green on the cacti with blue. Now, if you want to make another recoloring on the same segment, you come down here and run this again, and it will generate the new palette for the segment again, because now that it's been recolored, we need to adjust the palette. Okay, and you can see the new color. We have the blue here for the cactus that we just added. I'm going to replace this beige color for the backing of the pillow with a yellow now. So this time it's in index 3. So I can keep the, if I go back up here, I can keep the index the same. And I'm just going to change the color. So I have this loaded already. It's a yellow color. And then I can run the segmentation once again. And as you can see, we have changed the background of the pillow. Now, once I have that all done, I can go down and save the image to our output folder. Sorry, I just gotta adjust this. This needs to be recolor. Okay, now we can see the recolored image is saved here. So we have our original and the recolored version. Thank you for watching.